Sri Lanka has a rich and diverse culture that reflects its long history and the influence of various civilizations. Here are some aspects of the beautiful culture of Sri Lanka. Traditional dance and music. Sri Lanka has a variety of traditional dances and music forms that are deeply rooted in the country's history. These performances often depict ancient stories and are accompanied by vibrant costumes and intricate movements. Kandyan dance and drumming are among the most famous traditional forms. Festivals and celebrations. Sri Lanka celebrates a range of festivals that showcase its cultural diversity. The Sinhala and Tamil New Year, Vesak, Buddha's birthday, and Deepavali, Diwali are some of the major festivals celebrated with much enthusiasm and colorful decorations. Ayurveda, the traditional system of Ayurvedic medicine, is widely practiced in Sri Lanka. It emphasizes holistic well-being and natural healing through the use of herbs, oils, and massages. Many resorts and wellness centers offer Ayurvedic treatments to locals and tourists alike. Cuisine. Sri Lankan cuisine is known for its rich flavors and diverse dishes. Rice and curry are staple foods, and the use of coconut spices and fresh ingredients is prevalent. Popular dishes include hoppers, kattu roti, and a variety of seafood delicacies.